Hello viewers, welcome to AC Easy Learning. I have to start class 10 mathematics NCERT syllabus. So let's start. The first chapter is real numbers. Before I start the real numbers, I have to say the other numbers, that is natural number, integer, rational number, irrational number, that's. So at the first, what is natural number? Natural number means the counting number, that we start counting from 1. So natural numbers also started from 1. So the natural number are 1, 2, 3. That's infinite. They are the natural numbers. Now I said about integers. So what is integers? Integers are that the natural numbers here as well as the negative sign of the natural number, that is and 0 is including here. So this set is called the integers. Now what is rational number? Okay, rational number is denoted by P by Q form, where we say that P and Q are the integers. P and Q are the integers. Okay, integers are denoted as Z, natural number are denoted as this, rational number are denoted as Q. So P by Q form P and Q that are integers and Q not equal to 0. Because if denominator is 0, then obviously the form is undefined. So for this, Q not equal to 0, and rational numbers are of the form P by Q. And which number are not written as P by Q form, where P and Q are integers, they are called irrational number. Okay, and if we give the example, that is root 2, pi, they are irrational number. Okay, so the real numbers are those all the numbers, that is real numbers may be natural number, may be integer, may be rational, may be irrational, whatever. They are all real numbers. This is the basic concept of real numbers. So we go through the next concept. Euclid's division algorithm. Okay, given positive integers a and b, there exists q and r, obviously they are unique, such that a equal to pq plus r, and the range of r, that is 0 less or equal to r less than b. We know the algorithm. If we consider there is a divisor b, dividend a, and we divide a by b, then we obviously get one quotient and one remainder. Remainder may be 0 or not. Then we can conclude here that a equal to bq plus r. Any example you know, that if we consider 5 as a dividend and divisor as a 2, so 2 2s are 4, get 1. So 2 is the quotient and 1 is the remainder. So obviously we can write 5 equal to 2 into 2, that, and plus 1. So this is the Euclid's division algorithm. Always this is true, and r is the remainder. Obviously remainder is 0 or greater than 0, but obviously less than the divisor. So obviously the range of r, that equal to 0 less than r less than b. Okay, thank you for watching.